Today video is for the people who want to give present to your friends but you broke. Yeah, you can consider this tiny little cute cat cake. So let's start with the first blue one. First you need a little bread. It's for cake, and then we will start using the cream blue one, and like you need to make smooth to the cake. I think it's really funny if you give this cake to your friends, like it's just like a one spoon. Then we will use the yellow cream for decoration, and then some red cream for like to draw a little heart shape. Now this is the final result. Oh no, we have some decoration on the top of the cake. Yeah, I think it's enough for a birthday cake. Very tiny birthday cake, and then we will write happy birthday, of course. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, that's all enough. And then one candle in the center of the cake. Yeah. And then the second one is the green one. This green is really beautiful, like avocado green. Then don't forget to make smooth your cake. Now covering cream is about to finish, but don't like make sure to look very perfect. I'm sorry I can't do it perfectly because I'm just still learning, and I hope you guys can understand. Yeah, and then my cake is brownie, you know. Yeah, it's about to finish covering cream, and then let's think about the decoration. uh we will use the pink color cream icing to decorate as a flower.